What I've realized is there's core, really simple principles that are like, everyone already knows these things. Sell something for more than you make it for. Core principles still apply, and to just not overcomplicate things, I think is like the biggest thing. Like one of my favorite things is looking at a business and it's just like, look, these are all these things that you do that don't matter. You can test that like it doesn't matter. There's all this inefficiency in the smallest of businesses to the biggest ones. And there's just like, to me, that just points to make $1 is fairly simple. We just add all this crap along and it has to look this way and all these different things. For me, it's just like back to basics. And as you go along, we've added a lot of complexity to our businesses and it's good to like look at everything and what can we cut? What can we be more efficient on? The basics matter. I mean, also those guys like family life, everything outside of everything we've talked about, you want to be really well rounded in those things. You want to exercise, you want to have a long life and be healthy and like you think clearer and you can just be a better operator. All these things, eat your vegetables. The older I've gotten, the more I'm just kind of like, yeah, I mean, all the things that everyone's told you all along from the start are what matter. Being a good person, you come across sleazy people in business and nobody ever lasts. Sure, they probably got ahead for a couple of years, but eventually it caught up to them. They look at that through the lens of like, well, it's back to basics. Just be a good person and operate with some integrity, and you can be around long enough to see some success for yourself.